Hello everyone, this is Veronica Morales. Welcome to my channel. This is my first video, so hit the subscribe button and click the like button. That'd be awesome. So here I'm going to show you an artist trading coin book, and I was inspired by Teresa Morgans coin book and also inspired by Corenes Creations. She made a mini album and I used her instructions for it. And yeah, I went ahead and just did my own dimensions and my own pockets, and you'll see here I started off with a skull and some ravens and a frame from Spellbinders. The skull and ravens are downloadable clip art from My Wonder on Etsy. So if you guys want to check out their clip art, you can go ahead and do that. I will link everything that I mentioned in the description below. So go ahead and head on over there if you want to know all the deets on that. So here's the book, and I think it came out so cute. Look at that, you guys. Just look. Isn't that neat? I covered the ravens, the skull, and both of the ravens, the skull and the frame with Versamark and embossing powder. On the back of the skull is black glitter cardstock. Look at that. Isn't it cute? Oh my god, look at this. Look. Anyways, I came across artist trading coins and thought it was pretty neat and wanted to join in and make something that I could hold my coins in. I used to trade artist trading cards a year ago, and I just stopped, didn't have time anymore, but here's the inside of the book. Look at this. You guys, look at this. 6 pages. Each page will hold 8 coins, front and back. Well, actually 4 in the front, 4 in the back. But look, 32 coins for this itty bitty book. Look at that, you guys. Isn't it cute? Oh my god. It's so cute. Look at this. These are Spellbinder dies also, and then I went ahead and covered them with embossing powder and Versamark. Look at that. So here are the coins. I made these for the purpose of the video. Here's my doodle anime face. I embossed him with white embossing powder. Here's my raven. And this one, Black Widow. I used an embossing pen in black, in the color black, and in black embossing powder for this. This is clip art from the My Wonder on Etsy. I went ahead and fussy cut it out and just put it on this coin. Use some embossing powder for the leaves in the back, and they just slide right in. Each coin can just slide right in like this. Isn't it cute, you guys? Look at it. You see this? This is my oopsie coin. I made a mistake. And it came out okay, but it's one of those oopsie coins, oopsie mistakes. I'm keeping it. Here you go. Oh, see, look at that. This is one thing that I regret not doing, is putting a piece of paper in between these pages so the coin doesn't go through the other side. In this case, see, you just have to fiddle with it to put it in the pocket, but at times if there's no coin in the back, it'll just go right through. But next time I'll go ahead and do that. Maybe for Christmas, we'll do a Christmas book. Didn't it come out cute, you guys? Look at this. If you guys want me to teach you how to make this, go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know. That's how I'll know that people want to see what I'm making. So there it is. Isn't it cute? Came out so adorable. Look at this. I've been trying to upload this video. It's been like 20 times already. Hopefully this one goes through. But look at this. Love this. Look. The shine. I wanted to keep the inside black just so the coins can stand out. Especially for Halloween. You want it dark and spooky. I was thinking about covering the ends of the pages with Versamark and embossing it with black powder. Wouldn't that look nice? Just have a shine of black colored embossing powder on the ends of each page. So you would see shiny black right here. It looks so nice to do that. And maybe I should have put another medallion right here. I think it would have locked or not locked, but joined everything together. But look at this. Oh my god, you guys, I'm excited about this book. It's so cute. And here you have satin ribbon to tie it closed. And there it is. Look at it. 6 pages, 32 coins, you guys. You guys want to send me any coins? Just let me know. I'm on Instagram. Look at this. I used to house my ATC cards in a binder with those plastic card pages, but it was nothing as cute as this. This is so cute. Can't get over it. I'm sorry. Okay, I'm rambling, but here you go. This is the book. Hope you guys like it. Like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate it. And goodbye, you guys.